All right, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar, a sweet song here from Selena Blanco. It's called Don't Take It Personally. It's from the latest album called I Said I Love You First. So it's based upon this little melody I just played. Very simple, and let's go into it. We have the capo on 4th fret, absolute best scenario for us. Makes life much easier for this melody. So yeah, no need to go over the chords. We have actually 3 chords as a base for this melody, but we don't have to use them as full chords. So just let's go into the grips. We have the D part first, and I suggest to hold it like this: 2nd fret G and 2nd fret high E. With whatever fingers you want to choose. I go with the mid and ring finger, I believe. So anyway, it goes like this. The open D string together with 2nd G, then 2nd high E, then 2nd G, and 2nd high E. Then we have the next grip, it's the F sharp based upon that chord, and it goes. So you're gonna play the 2nd fret E string in the bass together with 3rd G, then 2nd high E, 3rd G, and 2nd high E. Then we have the G-based parts. It goes like this. So that is to play 3rd fret on E string in the bass together with open B, then 2nd high E, open B, and 2nd high E. And then you go back to the F sharp based chord. You have that with the 2nd E string and 3rd G. And you alternate that with the 2nd high E in the same way as you learned before. So D, F sharp, G, and back to F sharp. So one round goes like this. You just keep on rolling that melody, and you have managed to play Don't Take It Personally. Great song. Hope you enjoyed it, and play tuned.